Cosmetic fillers are a hot trend gaining traction here in Utah.
But before you trust your face to the needle, health experts are warning, do your homework.
Yeah, Dave, there are some big risks, and not everyone gets the payoff that they were hoping for. News specialist Ashley Kewish found the cosmetic consequences.
I'm all about staying looking as young as possible.
Just helps with all these fine lines.
I had kind of dark circles. I felt like I always looked tired.
Whatever the reason, whatever the risk, women are lining up.
Ooh. So I get Botox done all the time. I'm very addicted.
Whether to smooth wrinkles, dissolve a double chin, or build a stronger jawline.
Injectable medicine is really exploding in popularity.
That may be an understatement. Dr. Scott Thompson is a board-certified facial plastic surgeon.
And we're seeing younger and younger patients.
We did a little bit of Botox about a week ago, is that right?
At 2 locations, his group sees about 150 patients a week just for injectables.
Is there any particular area that you've noticed in yourself?
These eyebrow raised lines are my least favorite.
If you're feeling the need for some filler, there are some things you need to know.
You really can have problems with infection.
Take a look at these pictures.
It needs to be directed by a physician or under the guise of another physician's practice.
That wasn't the case for this local woman. She got filler done at a friend's house, quickly followed by a serious infection. And this woman, she wanted a prettier pout. Instead, she walked away with a lopsided lip. As for Botox,
I've seen some really problematic situations where someone had a facial nerve problem. For example, you could have a droopy eyelid, like you can't open one eye.
According to Dr. Thompson, risks increase with the use of semi-permanent fillers like Bellafill and Sculptra. Less risky options with brand names like Juvederm and Restylane are made up of more natural components and can be reversed.
It's not a problem.
And even though Dr. Thompson is one of only about 8 board-certified facial plastic surgeons in the entire state, he says even for him, it's not a home run every time.
It's not as if every time there's an injection, it's perfect. Sometimes there are complications.
He says anyone doing good work should want to give you as much supporting evidence as possible. But Dr. Thompson warns not to take advertisements at face value.
Those are very appealing and attractive, and they put a picture of a beautiful woman on, and you think, oh, I should go here.
So whatever the reason, whatever the risk, women are still lining up.
So hopefully I'll look younger when I'm 50.
It definitely worked. I would like another treatment or 2.
Ultimately, you are responsible for how you turn out.
Any physician can pretty much do what they want, but it's the responsibility of the consumer or the patient to do the research.
Ashley Kewish, KSL 5 News.
Ashley, thank you. A great resource is the Utah Division of Occupational and Professional Licensure. You can search providers and facilities by name to see if any disciplinary actions have been taken. If your procedure requires any anesthesia, make sure the facility is accredited. Deanie?
Well, here's a reason.